Welcome back to my channel. The police are at a scene of a double murder in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The bodies of two women, ages 76 and 69, were found at a house in Spring Village at about 9 o'clock this morning. Their throats were slashed. They have been identified as Christine Lewis and her sister Lorna Lewis. One of the deceased was a retired teacher and a justice of the peace. Investigators theorized that the women were killed between Saturday and Sunday. The house was ransacked.
Other members of the community started to inquire also. But when we came here, the team observed two females in the room lying in a pool of blood, with what appeared to be, stab wounds, and one female was observed with a towel around her neck. At this time, we are, looking at robbery as the motive, but that will not shadow the intense investigation that we'll be doing. The community in Spring Village is shocked at this time, based on the nature of this incident. Spring Village is generally a very quiet community. As we speak, I'm on location and residents are irate over it. We believe that we have some information that will assist us in terms of the investigation. So that will be robust. As it is now, I'll try and meet with some of the residents here to basically calm the nerves. One of the female was a justice of the peace, a retired teacher. The other was disabled. The justice of the peace basically is known to take care of her older sister who is disabled and was always seen in the yard tending to their garden. She's well known in the area, and you didn't understand the impact of that on the community at this time, but we certainly condemn this kind of gruesome, act, that affects the community of Spring Village. The police would appeal to persons who might have additional information, who have observed anything, to come in and talk to us.